I can't believe how busy it's been lately.
You've got mail.
Huh? Oh, a new project just came in over Streamline. Let's check it out. Huh. So they need this inspected, they need it painted on the top side but not the underside, and they need it shipped carefully so the paint doesn't chip. I can use FixtureMate in GrabCAD Print Pro to make an inspection fixture, a paint masking fixture, and a shipping fixture. It'll be easy!
It's exactly what I asked for. Well, what's this thing? This is cool.